Welcome back to Pixel Village. Today is a fantastic day. Fantastic day for us in Pixel Village because we just crossed the 25,000 mark. I know in the YouTube world it's not a big number, but for us villagers it's a huge number, and thank you all people very much for making it possible. We wish to make a few announcements today. We've been getting a lot of comments, as we said. We try to answer them on the comments column, but we think that some of the questions needed to be answered in a platform like this so that it is useful to a larger audience. So we're going to start a new segment called the Q&A with Pixel Village. The second one is that I've been doing about 10-15 episodes here talking about photography. But let me tell you, I was immensely benefited by working under many photographers, listening to many, and being in contact with many. So the understanding of photography that I have is not something which I developed on my own or from one person or a few books. So we're planning to start a new session called The Mentor Speaks, where an experienced photographer, a specialist photographer, a dynamic photographer who's going to come and share his experiences with you. The first one is going to be William from Delhi. He is a documentary wedding photographer. Well, we'll find out what is documentary wedding photography from that episode. It's going to come up soon, so watch out for that. The third important announcement that we would like to make is that we're going to come up with shorter versions of the Village Wisdom series, where we will be talking about a specific subject, but in a more precise, concise fashion in about 3 minutes duration. The fourth and the most important announcement today is about the giveaway. We're going to give away a Nikon SB5000 Flash, the flagship speedlight from Nikon. We are extremely thankful to our friends in Nikon India for making this possible. All you have to do is to go to the comments column and let us know the kind of topics that you would like to listen to or hear from Pixel Village. Of course, it's not going to be judged on the basis of anything. In fact, there's going to be no judgment on the quality of the comment. It's going to be a random decision so that everyone stands a chance to win this wonderful speedlight from Nikon, the SB5000. The terms and conditions are in the description column. Please read through carefully. And from the kind of responses that we're getting from various people on our side, this is just a beginning. And lots of giveaways are going to follow up very soon, and we need to now find reasons for giving it away to you. So stay tuned. We have lots of things lined up for you. Question and answers and mentor speaks and more giveaways and shorter videos, etc. So we'll meet you with another tutorial very soon. Bye for now.